Yo, what's going on, you guys? Back at it again with another install video for you all, guys. This one's actually fairly simple. Back window is no longer gonna be nice and just a clear back window because we got the glasskins Techo 1 rear louver for the vehicle. So I'm going to simply show you guys how to put this on. It shouldn't be too hard. As you can see from on the underside, it comes with the 3M adhesive all around and strips on the sides as well, but it's on the black. Black, so it's kind of hard to see. But I make sure this isn't full. Okay, so I'll leave a link in the description of where I got the product. It was off American Muscle. The manufacturer of it, it's Glasskins. So I already wiped off and cleaned the rear window, so that's step one. And they give you these 3M adhesion promoters, and you want to put that a little off to the side of where it's going to go. So first things first, let's go ahead and set you guys up here at an angle, and we are going to just mock up the glass skin onto the vehicle, open up the trunk, make sure everything fits where it needs to fit, and find the best spot for you guys. Alright, so there's a, as you can see, it comes down right here. This should just basically line up with your third brake light. Issues. Perfect, and now we know exactly how to line it up. Okay. So, when doing this, you want to go ahead and peel the edges back like so. So that way you have something to grip onto whenever it is on the car. Hopefully I don't mess this up because I have very bad luck with lining things up and messing it up. It's just one of my traits. Hopefully, like I said, the corner pieces, you just want to peel them off to the side, so that way whenever you do put it on the car, you can just go ahead and peel it off.
Kayla.
Am I fine? Got more mail? Did I get anything in?
That's why I'm like,
What's the brown one?
don't know.
For you?
That's for you.
I know what that is. That's what I've been waiting on.
I'm just saying.
I literally just checked it.
That's yours. Can I open it?
Sure.
It's because I checked. Supposedly my bows got delivered. That's why I was like, babe, where's the keys?
Yeah, I literally just went out there and there's nothing in there.
And yeah, she's right there putting the mail away.
Oh, is she?
What is this? What is this? What is this? Your license plate?
Is it? Is it the Arizona one?
Yeah.
Yeah. You see? It's all fucking bent.
Yeah.
Oh, thanks, Arizona. Even though I never even paid registration, so I still have no idea who registered my car because I know I didn't pay for it from the dealership.
And here's your registration. So is it like?
It's gonna change.
Oh, okay. I'm like, well, is this? Yeah, this is your registration. Woohoo!
It's bent.
You got California, you got New Mexico, now you have Arizona. I'm just saying California because of my license. I want to see.
It's just paint pins.
I want to see.
It's literally just paint
I want to see.
in a pin.
But you want to see mine? You want to see mine? It's bows. More bows. More bows. More cute ass bows.
The ones you already showed me?
No. Look at the cute ice cream bow. Shit, I got all clips. This will be a challenge, but I got bows.
Oh, yeah.
I'm pleased. Ah!
Love you too, cutie.
Do you call me kiddo?
Cutie.
Oh. Actually, funny story about that. So I went to Wendy's, right?
Today?
Mm-hmm. For my lunch.
You didn't get me nothing? Got it.
To get a salad.
You didn't get me nothing? Got it?
Do you want me to give you Wendy's?
No, you're fine.
Well, what do you want me to cook for you?
No.
You need to eat.
Order some. I mean, I ordered some nuggets for me and Ivy.
I'll wait for it later on tonight, though. Well, what do you are craving for if I could cook something?
Nothing.
What do you need to eat?
Tell you when I'm hungry. But anyways, Wendy's, lunch break,
Okay.
story.
So, I want to go because I like their summer strawberry salad. And the first window was like, okay, go to the first window to pay. I was like, okay, cool, whatever. Pull up the window, and then this lady just like, I didn't even have a chance to go up to the window yet. And she just says, where is your parents? How old are you?
To you?
Yeah. And I go more closer, I'm like, and I'm like, oh my gosh. I'm like, oh my gosh. I'm like, I thought you were 12 years old.
Where's your parents, fam?
I'm like, no, I'm not 12 years old. Thank you for that young compliment. But oh my gosh, I could have sworn you're 12. You look 12 years old. I'm like, oh, well, I'm not. I'm driving.
Part of the new hairstyle, dude.
And then she was like, oh, it's just like you. I was just freaking out because if you're 12 driving a car, that's crazy. I'm like, no. It's you. I'm like, oh my gosh, a lot of people think I'm 18, but I'm 25. I'm like, well, you got a 25-year-old woman thinking I'm a 12-year-old kid.
That's crazy.
Mm-hmm. So that is my story.
Babe is a 12-year-old.
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
I'm a 12-year-old who has a kid with a 25-year-old man.
I'm surprised it hasn't made headlines yet.
Oh.
That helps people. So the stuff you saw me putting down on the car was adhesion promoter that they supply. 3M adhesion promoter. So once you have this installed, they recommend you for it to sit for a day, 24 hours. Before going highway speed with it, just so the adhesive has time to settle and it could actually bond well with the window. And basically you just want to first go ahead and apply some pressure. Just make sure you get a real good stick on the 3M tape. To make sure it opens just fine. Nothing wants to hit, that is good. And that is it. It is that simple. And I was 50-50. I'm not gonna lie, I was definitely 50-50 with this product because I just didn't know if I'd even like it, or rear louvers in general. I saw a lot of them, and the reason why I went with this one is because the visibility out of the back here is still really good from the inside. I'll go and show you that before I forget. And it's really open here on both sides, and that's what I like. So visibility is actually really good, which you guys will see here in a second. But the other thing is, like, the thing that was putting me on the edge about buying it or not was actually, I don't know how well it's gonna stay clean underneath the louver, because obviously there's parts, like I can reach my hand under here pretty well, I guess, but that was one thing I wanted to make sure, accessibility, so I could clean it whenever. So I could reach my hand, and then I have this guy right there, which I'm sure we'll be able to reach under there no problem if it needs to be cleaned up. But that was one of the dilemmas that I was having. Some like fucking spots from something here. That was one of the dilemmas that I was thinking about whenever I was deciding on making this purchase or not, and I'm glad I went with it because it looks good. I like it a lot actually. So let's go ahead, hop in the car. Sorry, I'm just putting those back together here. Let's go ahead and hop in the car and let's see how it looks. It does not look bad at all. Visibility is still really good. I know it's hard to see. Hold on. I would pull it out, but Josie parked her car in the way, and I honestly just don't feel like moving her car to get my car out just to put it back in, because I don't plan on driving my car today. It doesn't really make a difference, but no, 10 out of 10 would highly recommend. So if you guys like this video at all, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I appreciate every new subscriber I've gotten recently. I appreciate all the views on the videos I've been getting, the likes on the videos. It's helping the channel out a lot. I know it's still a small channel, but we are seeing growth, and that is what I want. That is awesome. I appreciate every one of you. So please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and hit that notification bell, leave a comment. Other than that, have a great day, guys. Stay safe out there. Laters.